This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. First thing you need to okay. I'll tell you one more step. Uh, how to add the transaction controller. Go to thread group, right click, add logic controller, transaction controller. Okay. Here this is the way you need to add the transaction controller. Here also I have added all the transaction controllers here only. Right click, add logic controllers, transaction controller I'm adding. Then I'm renaming it to the particular transaction name. If it is a launch means I'm giving the launch. Login means login I'm providing. Okay, clear or not? So here you can provide the names, logic control names and all. Okay. The HTTPS test script
Clear.
recorder. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Tell me.
Clear.
Huh?
Yeah, we clear.
Okay, okay. You're clear. Okay. In the grouping side, you need to use grouping under the HTTP. You need to follow the settings under the HTTP. Yes. Follow the settings. First one is provide the same port number which is there in the browser. And the second thing is change the target controller as per your business transaction flow. Business transactions. Next, here the transaction naming. You can prefer anything, but I'm preferring prefix. Okay. Grouping should be do not group samples. Do not group samples. Transaction naming. Transaction naming as prefix I'm using. Okay. Prefix nothing but if you open any transactions. See the names, whatever here coming. So web2.nav.pl, web2.home. So the names as it is names will be reflected over there. Okay. So the first names only same names, whatever the names here coming, same names will be reflected over there. That's the purpose I'm using prefix. Okay. Else you want to use the transaction number or something, you can use the same. Okay. Not at all issue for me. Okay. Then so guys, just note down all the steps. You're clear, right? Clear?
I'm just taking down the notes.
Yeah, yeah. You clear, right? Each and every point. Not only you, everybody. Ask me, guys. After completion of the class, you guys will may feel some difficulties. You need to contact me again. Same. That's why I'm asking twice or thrice. You guys clear or not like that. Okay, tell me. If you are not clear means tell me. I can explain one more time also. Clearly, I'm mentioning the notes as well.
Can I ask how you added the multiple transaction names? Like, what did you use? Control what?
Nothing, man. See, if you add, see here, you can remove this one here. You can remove or you can add. Else, see, you can control C. You can keep the cursor thread group. You can press control V. It can create all.
Okay, okay.
Then
Thank
you
you.
can then you can rename.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Still any doubts? Okay, we are good, right? We can start the recording. Okay, guys, we are good. We are good or not? We can start. We need to start recording.
We're good for me.
Which one?
I was saying for me we're good.
Okay. So I'm going to the HTTPS desktop recorder. I'm just clicking on start recording. So it's showing certificate, everything. Okay. You can record multiple ways, guys. Yesterday I said by providing transaction name here and recording. And today I'm explaining different way. See, the launch transaction I kept. Then I'll go to the browser. I'm just refreshing this one. So I got this page launch. See, launch transaction got recorded. Correct? The launch transaction got recorded. So next I need to go for the login. So next that's why I'm changing the record transaction controller to login. Then I'm performing the login activity. Dojo and bean. Loading the bean as okay. Next what we need to do? We need to change this target controller to click on flights. Click on flights. See, we perform. Next, we need to select the source and destination. You have selected the source and destination. Next, choose flight. We are choosing one flight. Okay. Next, needs to go for the payments. Then last transaction will be sign off. Okay, then I'm signing off from the application. Okay, then I completed complete recording. Then I'm closing the browser. Then I'm just stopping it. Okay, now tell me any doubts. This is my complete script. Tell me any doubts.
No doubts so far.
This is the recording. You need to verify whether all the transactions belongs to your application or some other application. Okay, this is a web tour. See, the URL itself is showing, right? This URL only we have provided, correct? You need to replace this URL again. This 192.168 you need to replace. Why? Because if you connect some other Wi-Fi, it will become change, correct? That's why we need to change it to the again local host. Change it, replace all. Not replace. See, now you can filter. Right now it is a 1.7.0.0.1. Means this is web tours. This is also web tours. This is also web tours. And this is also web tours. This is not the web tours. See, add on Mozilla organization means it's a some other third party service which is recorded under our script. Okay, this is also unwanted thing. This is also recorded from the Mozilla end. So these two things we need to remove. Why? Because these two are not related to my application. Clear, guys? Hello,
Yep, clear.
Yeah, clear.
guys. My humble request is respond, guys. You are there or not? I think it seems around 8 people are there, 7 people are there, but no one is responding. Only Mickey. Okay, what happened to all of this? You wish, guys. Clear, guys? Okay, this is the
Yeah,
way you need
clear,
to.
Sujit.
Yeah. See, source and destination from where you're going. Denver and Portland. Which date? Huh? Let's choose flight. We are choosing one flight. And this is the payments page. Here you can see first name, last name, address on address to, and the credit card details and payment details, expiry date, everything. And you're signing off. So this is the exact recording of my application. So this is the view results tree. This view results tree will be enabled once you replay the script. If you replay the script, then it will be enabled. So it's asking you, do you want to save this one? Okay, I want to save this one. That's why I'm clicking yes. Okay, test plan, showing test plan. You can go ahead and save test plan underscore JMX. Script will be stored in the format of JMX. Here you can see all the transactions. This is the replay log. You need to consider it is a replay log and it is the recording log. It's a replay, it's a recording. Okay, clear? Clear or not?
Clear for me.
Clear, bro.
Okay. Then you need to verify whether you got all the responses, correct responses or not. Okay, this is the first sampler. You need to go to the response data. So see here, if you want to see the results, you can see all the formats. See, if you come down, see here is the HTML format also there. You can click that, and you can come to navigate down. So here you can see all the images and all. Okay, 6, 7. I think we did not receive proper response for this one. See, you can verify whether you have received proper response or not, like this. Okay, you can verify entire thing. See, for the sixth sampler or something, so you did not, the ninth sampler you did not receive the proper thing. See, let's see, page got incorrectly login, and you can see here also, the welcome, the page is not loaded. Welcome Jojo is not there. Means there should be an issue. Okay, the proper login is not happening. So, well, you can check the same recording log. Okay, keep the HTML format. You can check the same thing here. Here also same or not. If it be the same here also, then no issue. Go to the response data. This is the launch. And So see here, it's came here as a welcome Jojo, means the login is happened properly. Correct login is happened in the recording time. Okay, this is under the recording log. But in the replay log, it's not there, right? The 11th number, see, it's not there. Correct. Correct or not, boys? Guys,
Yes,
hello.
we can say.
Okay. If it's not there means there should be an issue. That is called some dynamic values are hitting to the server. We are not properly handling the dynamic values. That's why we are not getting the proper response in the view results tree. Okay. Okay. We are not getting the response. Then what you need to do? See, for example, I said right. This is for clear. If you click clear, this log only it will be clear wherever you keep it. So clear. If you click this one now, it will clear entire thing. Okay. So if you want to compare the recording and replay log, if you unfortunately clear the replay log, you won't get it back. But if you save the recording log, you can get it again. You can go to the browse, you can double click on this one, you will get the replay log. Means recording log, you will get it here. That's why before going to the recording, you need to save the recording log. So by unfortunately or by mistake, if you clear now, you can get it back again. So but see here, like this. So here you can't get it back, right? That's why I'm saying before going to the recording, under the HTTP desktop recorder, you need to save the responses in the XML format before going to the recording itself. Why? Because it is useful for comparison the dynamic values and all. Okay, clear? What?
Okay.
Okay. Is it okay, or can I proceed for the correlation topic as well?
You can go ahead, continue.
Okay. Okay. Then keep the heading as correlation. 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 Very very important, guys. You can write down this one. The values which are generated from the server side, those values we needs to correlate, and or you can call it as the values which are changing dynamically for the subsequent accessing of the application. Those values you need to correlate. Nothing but if you are hitting to the server, that time the values are changing. Same example. See here. If you take any bank application, if you take any bank, you have an X amount of rupees in your account, and you went to your bank, and there will be some vending machines are there, right? You can't go directly in the bank. So if you fill up your application, and the kiosk will generate one token to you, that token you are picking up and you are submitting to the cashier, like some 001 or some tokens. So you can go to your cashier and you are submitting to your cashier. Then cashier will verify whether it is a valid token or not. If it is a valid means he will provide the money to you. Okay, is it correct or not, guys?
Correct.
Okay, here we are here the guy is verifying the he is verifying the token. This guy is verifying the token. After verifying, if it is everything is correct, then this guy will release the amount and he will sanction the amount and you can get the amount. You will get the amount. For example, like a $200 or $300, whatever it may be. See, you have in your account, you have some $1 lakh or $10,000. Okay, in your account you have $1,000 or $2,000, but you want to withdraw $200 from your account. That's why you went to your bank, and there will be one token has been generated to withdraw the amount. That token you are submitting to your cashier. Your cashier is providing the amount to you. Okay, your cashier has been provided the amount to you, so you are satisfied. You're going back. So in the same way, you have recorded the script from your Jmeter. Okay, that time one token has been generated. Okay, that one token has been generated. That token will be stored in the script, correct? The token won't change, right? For example, if anywhere, if a token or if a number will be generated in the script, it will be the same. Is it right? It will be the same. If you reply the same thing again, nothing but if you are picking the same thing again, see, if you again you want to withdraw $2,200, okay, this time you went there and you are picking the same token, okay, you are picking the same token and you are giving it to the cashier, okay. Guys, is it correct? Means that guy will accept the token. Hello. Will you get
No,
the money? Will you get the money for the second time?
no, no.
Why? Why?
The token has expired.
Yes, this token is already used once. In this transaction, they used once. If some other time, if you are going there, maybe some other token has been generated. That token you need to submit to the cashier. Then only that guy will verify and he will provide the money. Okay. Instead of providing the new token, you are providing the old token means he won't provide the money. Okay. The same thing, for the first time you are recording the script, some dynamic values will be recorded in the script. If you are replying, the same value will go to the server. The first time value, whatever the recorded, that value will only go to the server. That time server won't accept and you won't get the response. Okay, clear? Hello.
Clear.
Okay, just write down the correlation definition, then write down the diagram so you can draw the diagram. Guys, have you completed?
Yeah, completed, Rohit.
Yep, completed it.
Yeah, draw this diagram as well for your example purpose. You can write this correlation example. Correlation. Let me know once you finish, guys.
I'm done from my end.
Okay. Remaining people.
Yeah, completed, Rohit.
Okay, thank you. I'll go to the actual thing here. So I'm just replaying the script once. So here is my recording log. This is my replay log. So we are getting the error in 11th sampler, right? We are not getting proper response for the 11th. Is it correct? You verified, right? Keep the HTML format. Come down, come down, down. So here the value is not there. Means the welcome Jojo is there, but here in the see from the ninth itself we are getting some error. You have reached some bad user session probably. So else you can go here. So it's a get request. 90% of the times the get request won't contain the dynamic values. Post request only will contain the dynamic values. Okay, always post request will contain the dynamic values. Okay, you can go here. This is also get request. There is no body. Means there is no dynamic values. There is no dynamic values. So yes, this is the post request. You need to think of it. If it is a post request means okay, some dynamic values is there for the first thing. I said right, x-axis and y-axis are the not dynamic values. Username and password is not a dynamic value. Why? Because we have provided with the hand. So, and the next thing here was the only one value. There is a user session, some value is there. Okay, maybe this value is the dynamic value. Okay, you can copy this parameter name. Okay, copy this parameter name. What is the user session is having? You can go to view results tree. Keep in a text format. Keep it in text format. Search for that word. Search for the parameter. So the parameter found in the sixth sampler. Again come down here. Search for the same thing. Here it is finding out. So what you need to do, you have to copy this one. This entire line you need to copy. So this is the replay log, right? Replay log or recording log? This is from replay log, correct? You need to take the same value from the recording log. See, this is the replay log, and we need to take the same value from the recording log as well. Keep the text format. Same we have searched with the user session, right? Need to copy this user session value. See, here it is there. See, both are same means it's not a dynamic value. Both are different means it's a dynamic value. You need to compare the recording log and replay log. Okay, the steps will be first you need to compare you need to take the value from the script. and you need to compare it in, you need to search it in the replay and recording. So see here, the name value everything is same. See here 13310 4190, here 3260 42932. So it's a dynamic value, correct? So the center value is a dynamic value. That's why we are not getting the response. Means for each and every time in the script, it is on the script only the value is there, right? If you are replying multiple times, this value only will go to the server. The new value is not going to the server. That's why you are not getting the response. Correct? Hello.
Correct.
Yeah. What you need to do, you have to capture this value. You have to capture this value, and you need to save it to your variable, and you need to send it to the server. Then it will accept. Okay. Procedure. Correlation procedure. First step is take the parameter name from the samples, from the samplers. Second point, power thing. Okay. So right now I did right here. So compared, then construct the regular expression for. Okay. Once you identified means, you need to construct the regular expression. Construct the regular expression. How to construct the regular expression? See, you're finding out this value, right? So just copy it, paste it here. On the top, paste it here. Whichever the value you want to capture. So I want to capture this 1331 some this value. So that I'm removing this value. Instead of that value, I'm providing the dot star question mark. Dot star question mark. And here I'm enabling the regular expression. This is the regular expression for this value. Okay, in order to capture this value, the value place I'm providing dot star question mark. Then I'm enabling the regular expression. I want to verify whether it will capture or not. So it's capturing, right? It's highlighting in the green color. Means the regular expression which I have provided is correct one. Okay, it can able to capture the dynamic value. Okay guys, clear? Hello. I think guys, if you are confusing means I'll stop it. Once you practice, I'll explain one more time. Okay, not an issue. Let me know.
Yep, it's clear.
Clear. Okay. Then you are getting this response from the sixth sampler. Means the sixth sampler is generating the response. We'll go to the sixth sampler, right click, add post to processor, regular expression extractor. Okay, here you have to provide the regular expression. Right click, add, host to processor. Regular expression center. Okay, write down up to here. Okay, don't write these two. This is an example. You can, if you want, you can write down. That's not required. Okay, up to the here or not.
Okay, clear.
Okay, you can write down. Okay. Okay. Up to now clear, right? You guys write it down these things, all these steps. You guys wrote down or not? Then I'll explain the regular expression. What is the regular expression and all? Clear or not?
Clear. I've got it down.
Okay. How many of you noted down? Everybody completed or still writing?
Still
Completed.
writing 1 minute.
Okay. Please write down. Let me know once you finish it. I'll show you. Let me know, guys. I think it's already 7:33. We crossed our time. Let me know once you finish. I have
Yeah,
some other
completed,
meeting.
Ravi.
Yeah, Mickey, as yourself completed.
Yes, I've got it.
Okay. So see here, whatever the expression I build here, same expression I have copied, I have tested here, it's working fine. Then I copied this expression. So in the sixth sampler, that value is generating the sixth sampler is generating the dynamic value. That's why I came to the sixth sampler and I provided. Here I need to provide the variable name. Which variable it is a underscore user session. It's a user session value. That's why I provided c underscore user session. So the dynamic value each and every time it will come, it will be stored into the variable. So and here we need to provide the group. Group nothing but this value. Here only one group is there. That's why we need to provide the group as $1. Means we need to specify in this format. See, they are mentioned $1, where is capture the group. So if you provide one, it will capture the first group like that. Okay. Match number you need to provide. For example, if you have n number of values, like in the drop down 20 or 30, you can provide the particular number. If you don't have that many number of values, if you are having only one, you can provide the number one. Okay. Then you need to replace. See, you need to click on the search symbol. You can provide the variable name. Same variable name. You need to copy paste, guys. Don't use the typing. Okay, please copy paste and Control A, Control C. So then replace all. It got replaced. Wherever the value is there, it got replaced. Clear. See, we'll verify once. 11 sampler. Go to the HTML. We did not receive the response, proper response. See, we did not receive, right? So let me clear it and let me replay it one more time. Then we can see. You can add the debug sample also to it. So right now we'll go for the 11 sampler. See, right now it came Jojo. Okay, clear? Clear, boss? Not. See, the debug sampler, you can see whether it's captured the value or not. You can see everything. You need to add the debug sampler, then it will show you. See, the user session, it's got captured. The value which is changing. So it's got captured. That value has been stored in the subsequent request. While the substitution, we don't need to directly replace. Here we need to replace with the dollar symbol and curly braces with the parameter name. If you substitute like that, then only the captured value will be substituted in the subsequent request. Okay? Okay guys, how many of you clear?
Clear.